This Pakistani guy is selling a special type of gown cloth on the beach. He is showing the beach girls how to wear this gown in different variations, different styles. As you can see, this girl is feeling so happy after wearing this beautiful gown. And he will show them different patterns, different styles to wear this cloth to cover their bodies. She looks so stunning. That's so cool. Nice. Now he will change the look of his gown and make a new style. As you can see, the look of the cloth has totally changed. He has different color gowns as you have seen in the video, and all of them can be worn in some different styles like you can see in the video. This guy is amazing. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Have a good day. Thank you so much.